Hello students, welcome to SOURAV sir's classes. The question is, what is the range of 2 sin x plus 3 cos x? So 2 sin x plus 3 cos x is equal to root 2 squared plus 3 squared into 2 sin x by 2 squared plus 3 squared root over plus 3 cos x by root over 2 squared plus 3 squared, which is equal to root 13 2 sin x by root 13 plus 3 cos x by root 13. Now let cos y is equal to 2 by root 13 and sin y is equal to 3 by root 13. So this will be true since we know that sin squared y plus cos squared y is equal to 1. So then, from this equation we get root 13 into sin x, and cos y was 2 by root 13. So sin x cos y plus sin y cos x, that is equal to root 13 into sin x plus y. Now range of sin x plus y, so range of sin x plus y is from -1 to +1. Therefore, minus root 13 less than equal to root 13 sin x plus y less than equal to root 13. Hence, minus root 13 less than equal to 2 sin x plus 3 cos x less than equal to root 13. From this, therefore, option D is the correct option. The next question is, trapezium ABCD has side AB equal to 8 and CD is equal to 10 centimeter. So, let this be our trapezium. This is AB, this is CD. So this is 10 centimeter and this is 8 centimeter. If the area of the trapezium is 27 centimeters squared, then how far is the point of intersection of the diagonals from CD? So let these be the two diagonals and let H be the distance between the two parallel sides. Let this be QP, that is perpendicular. So this is Q, this is P, and this is O, the points where the diagonals intersect. So area, we know that area is equal to half into sum of parallel sides. So 8 plus 10 into distance between them, that is H. And it is given to be 27 centimeters squared. So 18H is equal to 54, and from here we get H is equal to 3. Now angle CAB is equal to angle OCD. Since they are alternate interior angles, Similarly, angle ABD is equal to angle CDB, since they are alternate interior angles. Therefore, triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Thus, AO by OC is equal to BO by OD is equal to AB by CD is equal to 4 by 5. And since the altitudes should also be in the same ratio, so OP by OQ is equal to 10 by 8 is equal to 5 by 4. Therefore, OP by OP plus OQ is equal to 5 by 5 plus 4, or OP by PQ is equal to 5 by 9. Therefore, OP is equal to 5 by 9 into PQ, that is 5 by 9 into 3, which is 5 by 3 centimeters. So the required distance is 5 by 3 centimeters.